Hey folks, this is Steve over here at Bowling Green Chevy. Wanted to show you this wonderful 2015 Chevy Camaro RS in bright yellow with black and titanium interior. We're going to go around the front here. I'm going to show you these 20-inch polished aluminum wheels with the HID headlights, the fog lights right there. We're also going to bring in to show you that 3.6 liter V6. That's backed up by a 6-speed automatic transmission. I don't know if you've ever driven one of these, but these things will run. You'd think it's a V8 from time past. Here I'm going to show you that black and titanium leather interior that is heated, as well as the 7-inch information screen for your convenience. The back seats, just kind of showing you the shape that this thing is in because it's in fantastic condition. Also, we're going to bring you back out, show you those 20-inch polished aluminum wheels again, and look at some of this trunk space back here. It's not a ton of trunk space, but the seats do fold down. You can get your golf clubs in there. Come see me at Steve at Bowling Green Chevy.